Hello. In this video, I'm going to show you how to do IXL Algebra 1 topic S13, which is writing linear functions from word problems. In class, please take down these notes as we go through them. You don't have to copy the whole question, but please make notes of the important items that we go over. For participation points, please unmute yourself and read this out loud, starting with Luna's hair. Go for it.
Luna's hair was 3 centimeters long after her last haircut, and it grows 7 centimeters every year. Write an equation that shows the relationship between the years t and the hair length h.
Thank you, anonymous student. All right, so think about the two things that you need to write a linear equation. And also notice that it tells you what it wants you to start with. So based on what it tells you over here in the italics, what are we going to write in this box first? What does our equation have to start with?
Let's start with h first.
Good, followed by an?
Equal sign.
Right. So yes, there are different ways to write equations, but because this program will only accept certain types of answers, it wants you to start with the h. All right. So what does h represent?
Hair length.
H represents hair length. So here you can see we are finding how long Luna's hair is. So h equals something. All right, so let's see what it equals. What are the two parts of a linear function or a linear equation? What are the two parts?
Initial value.
Good. And what's the other one?
Time value. Growing rate.
Great. So the rate of change and the initial value. So first, let's find our initial value. Is our initial value 3 centimeters or is it growing 7 centimeters? Think about how long the hair was when it started. Was it 3 or 7?
3.
Good. So this will be our initial value, 3 centimeters long. And the reason that we know, actually, let me just do the 3 since that's what's going into our equation. So our initial value, it will be 3. And we know that because it said after her last haircut, right? So after her last haircut, that's where we started from. So your initial value will be 3. And then is her hair going to grow or is her hair going to shrink or get shorter?
Grow.
Yeah, it's going to grow, right? So it's going to be, let's do this in purple. It's going to be adding because hair grows. Oh, and it tells right here. It grows 7 centimeters every what?
Year.
Every year, correct. And years is represented by t. So we know 7 is our rate of change. So one of these is our initial value, and then the other one is our rate of change. Just remember, whatever the rate of change is, that's what you have to put the variable next to, right? Because it's 7 every means times, every year. So per year, you're going to be multiplying it by the number of years. Let's go ahead and enter this in here. Where is my mouse? There it is. Enter your answer in here. H equals 3 plus 7t. Click submit. Hey, we got it.